Engineering is the closest thing to the magic that exists in the world.
I, Shreyas Manegaonkar,
I, Jayesh Ambarte,
welcome you all to the SPPCET YouTube channel.
Today, we Mechanical Engineering Department has set up the zealous ambience with the man-machine relationship to celebrate the second version of MechFest,
Mechmarize 2K18. The event started with the welcoming of the chief guest by the master of ceremony Shreyas Manegaonkar and Prachi Panchbhute, following which the lamp lighting ceremony was carried out. Scriptures are the surest and clearest means through which God speaks. Scriptures were read by student Rudolf Regis.
And without him, nothing was made that was made.
A brief about the event, Mechmarize, and the sub-events was given by the coordinator of Mechmarize 2K18, Pranav Itankar.
Mechmarize 2K18 is the second edition of Mechmarize. It is an intra-collegiate event conducted by Mechanical Engineering Department in association with various forums like IST, Indian Society for Technical Education, NSS, National Service Team, SA, Society of Automotive Engineers, and REC, Renewable Energy Club.
The honorable chief guests were welcomed by a sapling as token of gratitude by Father Dr. Paul Chandrakinal, post which the director enlightened the gathering.
Mechmarize is going to mesmerize every one of us. In the first place, I am extremely happy to congratulate all the organizers and everyone who made this dream to fine-tune your technical and organizational leadership skills through this program.
After this, Mr. Abhay Singh, the chief guest of our function, enlightened the gathering by his enthralling words.
Good to know that such activities, which is like, because there is a huge gap in industry and academia. The industry wants ready to be hired students, because see, it's a responsibility of the college to train their students in such a way so that they will be ready to be employable by the industry.
On behalf of the entire team, the student mentor Yash Chaudhary proposed the vote of thanks.
बेहतर की तलाश कर, मिल जाए अगर नदी तो समंदर की तलाश कर, मिल जाए अगर नदी तो समंदर की तलाश कर, टूट जाते हैं शीशे पत्थर के एक बार से, टूट जाते हैं शीशे पत्थर के एक बार से, टूट जाए वो पत्थर ऐसा शीशा तो तलाश कर, टूट जाए वो पत्थर ऐसा शीशा तो तलाश कर. Once again, thank you all.
The ceremony had a patriotic end by singing the national anthem, post which the guests proceeded to the event site.
Mechmarize consisted of various momentous events. Ingenium, one-day workshop about the engines. Adoracal, 3D modeling event. Vitrine, a platform of art and collection. Quizofun, quiz plus fun. Airdrop, a treasure hunt competition.
Seems that we have fabulous artists for the event Vitrine. We would like to know about the event from the coordinators Saurabh Umate and Shubham Agarkar. So Saurabh, can you tell us about the event Vitrine?
Vitrine is a platform of art. Okay? We are the coordinators of this event, and in this platform of art event we have didn't kept any of the barriers or limitations. We have kept everything open for the students who are approaching here and bringing their art collection.
Mechmarize has brought before us a technical designing event named Cadoracle. We have with us the event coordinator Kaustubh, who would tell us about the event.
As we know that as a mechanical engineer, we should know any of the designing software, or we should have a sound knowledge about the designing software. Many of the mechanical engineers learn the software but doesn't find any opportunity to showcase their talent. So here we comes up with an idea of making a competition to encourage participate more and more into the designing way and help them to approach into more and more designing field.
Along with technicality, a little bit of fun is also required for the students. So we have the coordinator of Airdrop who will tell us about this event.
Airdrop. It is an event of fun and applying your basic fundamentals of engineering.
We have the event Dynamics of Machine from Megamorphosis. Here we have the coordinator of Megamorphosis. So Ankit, tell us about your event.
So our event name is Megamorphosis. Build it, work it and win it. So what is in this event? In this event, there is a sequence of energy conversion in which we provide initial energy to the setup so that the setup fulfills the requirement, the complete requirement.
We have the legacy event come workshop about the engines, Ingenium 2.0. So Sarang, how was your workshop and the event?
Our workshop is one-day workshop event which is conducted by expert Vijay Kumar sir. 20 years of industrial knowledge and 6 years of educational knowledge. And here in the workshop we will conduct 2-stroke, 4-stroke and braking unit, assembly and disassembly of braking unit.
My experience as a MECMARISE mentor was good overall. It was also challenging at each and every step. Our main challenge was to synchronize the activities of the core team with our sub-event teams so that the event should be successful.
We have with us our chief guest, Mr. Abhay Singh.
This is one of the best engineering college I have seen in Nagpur. So obviously the green infrastructure and all, it's very, very lovely, and I always love to be part of Quality College.
What was your experience about this event and its atmosphere?
Coin collection and all, good choices are there, technology and all. So it's a combination. I mean, we can say it's a gamut of everything. So if I have got certain skills or certain capabilities, I'm showcasing it. So certainly it's like combination of all, and it's like showcasing of good opportunity, talent and all. So it's a very wonderful event, very well planned.
It was a very wonderful experience of MECMARISE 2K18. Hope the legacy continues. I, Shreyas Panegaonkar,
I, Jay Shambarte,
signing off from the YouTube channel.